In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Forms header template in Canva. We're going to keep it simple and clear so you get a perfectly sized header without any guesswork or awkward cropping when you add it to your form later. The idea is to start with the right canvas size from the very beginning, and Canva makes that incredibly straightforward. Begin on the main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen you see when you open Canva, with your recent designs and a search bar at the top. From here, look to the top left for the Create button. Depending on your version, it may read Create a Design, but it's always in that top left area. Click it to open Canva's design picker and search field. In the search field, simply type the word Google. Canva will suggest a variety of pre-sized formats for different Google products. What you want to look for specifically is the option labeled Google Forms Header. This is important because it's already set to the exact proportions that a Google form expects, so you don't have to manually adjust dimensions. Choosing this option avoids the common problems of stretched images or text getting cut off once you place the header in your form. When you see Google Forms Header, click it. Canva will open a new design tab with the correct canvas size for a Google Forms banner. Because this template is pre-sized, everything you place on it, backgrounds, shapes, photos, and text, will be laid out on a canvas that matches Google Forms header area. That perfect fit means fewer surprises later. Now you can use the template. Since the dimensions are already right, you can focus purely on visual choices rather than technical setup. Keep your most important text away from the extreme edges to ensure great visibility, and aim for strong contrast between your text and background so titles stay readable. Remember that Google Forms places the form title and some interface elements near the top, so keeping key design details centered and balanced helps them shine. If you're using photos or patterns, choose images with a clear focal point and avoid overly busy textures behind text to maintain legibility. That's it. Starting from the main dashboard, clicking the Create button, searching for Google, selecting Google Forms Header, and opening the template gives you a ready-to-use canvas that's a perfect fit. With the sizing taken care of for you, you can design confidently and know your header will look great in your Google form.